Welcome back to Small Aid. This is the last of my lithium grease, as you can see. And it's really old. It's about 20 years old and still functions really well. I love it. And yet there's a small problem with that. It's running out. And digging into that is not very useful. Not very keen. So I've come up with an idea. And I'm sure somebody has done it before me. So this is a clean toothpaste container. And what I'm about to do is to open it up. Yeah, we do have a little bit of residual paste here, but I don't think it will interfere. I'll just clean it off. I washed this with warm water until it came out nice and clean. And if you can see through the tube, it's fairly clean. I'm pretty pleased with that. So I'm going to heat seal it, but first I'm going to fill it with grease. Let's get started. You know what? Let's do a trial run. Basically, you have to grip it, and to heat seal it, well, you have to apply some heat. I can get that. Let's get the grease out of the way so we have some more spacing here. And let's try to shut it, see how it goes. Well, usually plasticware tend to shrink and heat up and seal themselves. Let's see if this was the case. It is. It's sealed shut except for this corner, which I did not seal. And let's give that a go. Okay. Well, it's fairly sealed for me. I'm pretty pleased with that. Okay. Let's cut our new seal. Oh, we need a little bit more. Let's cut a little bit more then. All right, I think we can fill it up. This will take a lot longer than, so let me get back to you once I'm done. Well, we're fairly full. I think that's good enough. I have to close it up after all. I'll clean it up, otherwise I won't be able to heat seal it. I'm just cleaning the lips over here. There we go. I think that's good enough. Still have a bit more grease, so that's not completely done. And while we're talking about grease and applicators, that's my original applicator. It's a small jar, a cream jar my wife gave me for this purpose. And I think we're clean enough to go. So let's heat it up. Like so. I'll do one half, then the other half. As soon as you start to smell the plastic, stop. You're there. I'll give it another heating cycle, and I'll press the ends again. There we go. There we go. Now, this is airtight. It's not coming out. There's a bit of an air over here, but I'm sure there are some more voids over there. But basically, if you want some grease, that's an easy way to do it. All I have to do right now is delete the Oral-B, and I'll do that. And we're done. So lithium grease, no more Oral-B. It's done its job, and now we've recycled the container. And we have an easy applicator for grease. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found some uses in it. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.